Hello everyone, this is Shreya from Shreya Teaching Point. So welcome back to my channel. So what we are going to discuss in this video, as you all know that we are going to talk chapter 9 of your book Algebraic Expression and Identities, and as you know that we have completed our previous exercise that was 9.3. So in this video we will discuss 9.4 exercise of your book. So in this exercise we have given to multiply a binomial to a binomial. So I will tell you how to multiply a binomial to a binomial step by step, so that your concept of the multiplying binomials should be cleared. So let's start our today's topic. So here you can see we have the first question of your exercise, in which we have to multiply the monomials. That is the main concept of this exercise. So how to multiply this monomial? So we have to follow some of the steps. We have to use here distributive property. You have to remember this, that we have to use here distributive property. This is the main part of this question. You have to use distributive property in this question. Now how to use distributive property? So as we have studied in our first chapter, associative, communicative and commutative and distributive property. So in the distributive property, how do you use it? So as you can see, we have two expressions. 2x plus 5 multiplied by 4x minus 3. This is the question, right? So when we use the distributive property, so जहाँ पे हमारे पास first expression है वो distribute हो जाएगी in this. How to distribute it? For example, 2x one side and 5 will be other side. So distributive property का use करेंगे. So what we get? 2x, then bracket, this expression will be there, 4x minus 3. Here we get a new expression. अब यहाँ पे जो हमारे पास expression है, इसमें हमने 2x को इस वाले एक्सप्रेशन से मल्टीप्लिकेशन की फॉर्म में लिखा है, राइट? नाउ वी विल पुट हियर द एंड साइन एंड 5 विल बी देयर नेक्स्ट. 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4x minus 3. This is called the distributive property, right? So 2x will be multiplied by same expression as the 5 will be multiplied by. Now we will solve it. So how to solve it? You will know that how to multiply a single expression to a binomial, as we are studying in our previous exercises. So now you can easily do it. First of all, we will solve it the first part of this question. Now second part, and then we will get the suitable answer for this question. So first of all, 2x multiplied by 4x, 4 2s are 8, x will be there, x the power 2, 2x x the power 2, minus 2x into 3, 6x. Here we get the solved expression of this expression. Now and we get 4 5s are 20x minus 5 3s are 15. Here we get the another solution of the second expression. So here I have solved the both expression as we have done. Now here we have solved the equation which was given. So now you can see here is the and. So what to do with that? Here we will add the plus sign. Instead of the and, we will add here plus. Because why we have added here plus? Because as you can see, when we use the distributive property to distribute this equation, so 2x तो यहाँ आ गया, फिर 5 को जब हम यहाँ लेके गए तो plus 5, इसके साथ plus का साइन भी जाएगा यहाँ पे. That is not the bracket, okay? So plus 5 bracket 4x minus 3. So same as it is, यहाँ पे भी हमारा plus हो जाएगा. So this will be the answer of our question. As you can see, this will be the answer, but not the exact answer that we want in this question. So what we have to do? 8x square minus 6x plus 20x minus 15. So can we solve it further? We have to find that. So we can solve it, because either we can subtract here, either we can add. So where to subtract and where to add? So as you can see, हम पहले इसमें like terms find करेंगे. So like terms 8x square में कोई भी 8x स्क्वायर के साथ कोई भी यहाँ पे टर्म नहीं है. एज यू कैन सी माइनस 6x एंड 20x, ये एक लाइक टर्म होगा. सब हम इसे सॉल्व कर लेंगे. 8x स्क्वायर, नाउ माइनस 6x प्लस 20x, माइनस प्लस माइनस साइन हमारे पास बड़ी वाली टर्म का होगा. सो 14x एंड माइनस 15. सो हेयर अब हम इसे और नहीं सॉल्व कर सकते. सो दिस विल बी द आंसर ऑफ आवर first question of this exercise. Now let's come to the second part. Here comes the second question of this exercise, in which we have to multiply the binomials, in which we have given two expressions like the first question. So what? Using distributive property we will distribute the first equation. So now फर्स्ट वाली इक्वेशन को हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देंगे. So कैसे? जैसे हमने फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में किया था, y will be common. नेक्स्ट इस वाली इक्वेशन में हम y को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. That is called the distributive property. एंड यहाँ पे हम n का यूज ना करके -8 को लेना है. सो माइनस साइन एंड 8, 3y minus 4. Here we get the equation. Now we have to solve it. So y into 3y we get 3y square minus y into 4 4y. नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे माइनस का साइन रहेगा, माइनस प्लस माइनस का साइन रहेगा, माइनस 24y and minus 32. Here we get. So now we will solve it. So how can we solve it? Here you can see both are having like terms. They both are like terms. Y and powers are also same. So we will solve them. So minus minus plus 3y square प्लस कर देंगे 4y plus 24y 28y और साइन हमारा माइनस का होगा ग्रेटेस्ट वन. यू हैव टू ऑल्सो हमेशा हमें ग्रेटेस्ट वन वाले का साइन लेना होता है. y minus 32. Here we get the answer. So this will be the answer of this. So now the third part of this question is here. So in which we have to give it the equation but in decimal form. So यहाँ पे हमें इक्वेशन को डेसिमल फॉर्म में दिया है. यहाँ पे कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है. अगर आपने कॉन्सेप्ट समझ लिया तो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इजी है. हाउ टू डू इट? यूज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी लाइक दी. इसे आप सिंपल नंबर्स की फॉर्म में ले लीजिए. अभी पॉइंट्स और डेसिमल को अलग रखो. सो 2.5L ब्रैकेट 2.5L plus 0 plus 0.5M. Now minus 0.5M multiplied to 2.5L plus 0.5M. Here we get the equation. Now we will solve it like the previous question. Nothing difficult. So 2.5L into 2.5L, you will solve it. So what will get as the answer? 6.25L square. L into L, L square plus 2.5 into 0.5, we get 1.25. LM, L into M, LM minus 0.5 into 2.5L. So like this question, what we have get as the answer 1.25 LM plus 0.5 into 0.5, we get 0.25. 25 M square, right? M into N, M square. So now here you can see प्लस का है, यहाँ पे प्लस का 1.25 LM और माइनस का 2.5 LM. इन दोनों को हम कट कर देंगे आपस में. प्लस माइनस विल बी कट. सो व्हाट वी गेट एज द आंसर 6.25 L square plus 0.25 M square as the answer. Now let's come to the next part of this question. So in the fourth part of this question we have given so easy equation that we can do. So a plus 3b and x plus 5. So using distributive property, a multiplied by x plus 5 plus 3b multiplied by x plus 5. So what we get? A into x, ax plus a into 5, 5a or a5. Order doesn't matter. 3b into x, 3bx plus 3b into 5, 3 5s are 15 and b will be same. So here we get the answer. This is something unique, right? So this will be the answer of our fourth part of this question. So I hope you have understand the concept of the question. So the fifth part of this question we have given so easy equation that you can do it by yourself. So I am giving here the solution of this question. So here's the fifth part of this question in which PQ वाली equation है हमारे पास. So first of all distributive property का use करेंगे. 2PQ multiplied by 3PQ minus 2Q square. Now plus 3Q square multiplied by 3PQ minus 2PQ square. 2Q square, sorry. So now we have to solve it. So 2 3s are 6 and p square q square after multiplying minus 2 2s are 4 p and q की power 3 because one more q will be added to q की power 2 plus 3q square multiplied by 3pq, 3 3s are 9, p will be same and q की पावर 3 हो जाएगी, 2 plus 1 minus 3 2s are 6 and q की पावर 4. So now here you can see a similarity. You have to find the like terms. So यहाँ पे like term कौन से हैं? You can see here is the like term. So minus 4p3 plus 9pq3 both are same. So plus minus minus sign हम बड़े वाले का ले लेंगे. So क्या होगा आंसर? 6p square q square plus minus माइनस होगा लेकिन हम साइन बड़े वाले डिजिट का ले लेंगे. एंड माइनस का ये क्या आंसर आएगा? 5pq cube minus 6q4. So this will be the answer of fifth part of this question. So in the last part of the question we are given the question in fractional form. So let's do it also. So here's the last question. So nothing to do here else. This is also same as our previous questions. We will here you can see ये वाली एक्सप्रेशन तो ठीक है लेकिन इस वाली एक्सप्रेशन में हमें 4 ब्रैकेट के बाहर दिया है, मतलब पहले हमें इसे सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, फिर हम इस क्वेश्चन को आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हेन वी सॉल्व इट 4 into a square 4a square minus 4 into 2 upon 3b square. So 4 into 2 हो जाएगा, 4 2s are 8 upon 3 सेम रहेगा b square. इस टाइप से हम फ्रैक्शंस को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन. सो अब हम इसे नहीं इस वाले एक्सप्रेशन को फॉलो करेंगे विद दिस. सो अब हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी का यूज करेंगे. 3 upon 4a square multiplied by 4a square minus 8 upon 3b square. Right? Now plus 3b square ब्रैकेट में ये वाली इक्वेशन लिख लेंगे. Here we did it. So now what to do? अब हम इसे सॉल्व कर लेंगे. So बहुत ईजी है सॉल्व करना. Let's do it. So first of all अब मैं यहाँ पे इसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन के फॉर्म में लिख देती हूँ so that your all confusion will go over. 4a square multiplied by 4a square. We have this, right? Now अब इसको इस वाली एक्सप्रेशन से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. माइनस 3 upon 4a square multiplied by 8 upon 3b square plus same as it is 3b square multiplied by 4a square minus 3b square multiplied by 8 upon 3b square. So here I have written it like the multiplication form. So अब हम इसे सॉल्व कर लेंगे. So as you can see 4 से 4 हम कैंसिल कर देंगे, राइट? सो 4 से 4 कैंसिल हो जाएगा बट यहाँ पे a स्क्वायर अभी भी है हमारे पास. सो हमें इन दोनों को ऐड करना पड़ेगा. इन दिस वन 3 to 3 कैंसिल, a स्क्वायर अभी भी है, 4 2s are 8, राइट? सो व्हाट वी गेट 2a square b square as the answer. And in this one we will solve it. यहाँ पे कुछ कट नहीं हो सकता है. And in this one 3 to 3 का b स्क्वायर अभी हमारे पास है तो b स्क्वायर हम उसमें ऐड कर लेंगे. सो नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व इट. सो यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या बचा? 3a square into a square, a की पावर 4, right? Any confusion? So comment me in the comment section. So in this one 2 हमारे पास 2 था, a square and b square, a square b square plus साइन हम सब वैसे ही लेते चलेंगे. इसको हम सॉल्व कर देंगे. 4 3s are 12 b square a square माइनस यहाँ पे क्या है हमारे पास 8 b square into b square, b की पावर 4. So this will be the answer of the last part of this question. So here we have did the all part of the first question of this exercise. So in the next video we will discuss the second question. Till then, thanks for watching and please like and subscribe.